Hello heroes! GoPro introduced their new Hero 7 line in September 2018. The GoPro Hero 7 comes in 3 different varieties: black, silver and white. Aside from the hinted coral schemes in play, each version boasts some major differences from the others. Hero 7 Black captures 4K video at 60 FPS via its GP1 chip and can handle 8x slow motion video at 1080p resolution and 240 FPS. Most significant is GoPro's new HyperSmooth video stabilisation feature. GoPro promises gimbal-like stability. GoPro's new two-band model is the first to live stream video wirelessly to services such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and others. Hero 7 Silver is more modest offering than the Hero 7 Black. It still captures 4K video but does so at a lower 30 FPS. When it comes to slow motion video, the Hero 7 Silver sticks to 2x with 1080p video at 60 FPS. Hero 7 White is less than half the price of new Hero 7 Black. It doesn't go as high in resolution. It settles for 1080p at 60 FPS, plus it lacks expanded dynamic range. Slow motion video again tops out at 2x. Taking into account some major differences between new cameras, the video's bitrate is not the very same. Therefore, each camera requires different sustained write speed for the best performance. I recommend buying a card with U3 class speed. All helpful links you will find in video description. As we know, U1 cards have sustained write speed 10 MB per second or 80 megabits per second, and U3 cards have sustained write speed 30 megabits per second or 240 megabits per second. At first view, U1 speed class is enough for recording 4K, with footage bitrate less than 78 megabits per second, but simple math doesn't work accurately. You should take into account the devices allowed to do multi-file recording, as example multiple video streams, audio, GPS location, timestamps and other additional info. In conclusion, a card with U3 speed class is all you need to get the highest quality footage and avoid any issues during recording. My recommendation is to buy U3 or V30 for Hero 7 Black and Hero 7 Silver. If you have U1 cards, you can use it for Hero 7 White, without a doubt. But buying U1 card in 2018 doesn't seem to be a good idea. In other case, there may be issues such as dropped frames, recording error and added noise. The next and quite important feature is capacity of a card. The maximum card's capacity which GoPro Hero 7 can support is 128 GB. Take into consideration while recording 4K, your footage takes a lot of space. For example, it's possible to record about 2 hours of 4K footage using 64 GB microSD card. It depends on a situation, but in my opinion, you shouldn't buy a card which having capacity less than 64 GB for Hero 7 Black and Silver. It's okay if you use 32 GB card for Hero 7 White. If you buy on Amazon, please use my links. It will help me to create more videos. Please leave a like and subscribe for more. See you soon!